I loved law school. One, I was terrified. I didn't know whether I could cut it. I had no clue how well I'd do. Back in those days, which was in the late 60s and the 70s, it was a totally different approach than it is now. Back then, it was easy to get in, but it was hard to stay. And literally half the students would flunk out the first couple of years. So grades were very hard to come by, and it was tough. So I was terrified as to how I would do. And the first quarter I did well. I had a 2.87, I'll never forget. And out of a class of, we only had about 100 students, all men except for 2 women. My 2.87 was the 3rd highest grade in the class, to give you an idea of how hard they graded. And by virtue of that, though, I was invited to be on Law Review. And I went on Law Review. I loved writing. And I really learned to love the law. And then after that, the grades started coming better, easier, and I was able to graduate with high honors. But law school was just a perfect fit for me. I love the camaraderie. I think my fondest memories, a lot of people say, you know, law school was a drudge, and I loved it. We were with a lot of other couples. We were all in the same boat. We worked together, we studied together, we played together. The professors were accessible. It was a totally different environment than I'd ever had before. And by virtue of working on Law Review, and then I taught legal writing, I got to be an instructor, and I really enjoyed that. And so it was a great time. Those are some of my fondest memories, Florida law.